Hi friends, good morning. So we'll discuss about in this tutorial discuss about the next dialog, that is horizontal bar. So how we can create horizontal bar? We can see this. So for that I'm creating this new project. So that is horizontal bar. Just I'm giving you as horizontal. Then click on finish. Like here also same, just we can take one button. Once you click on that button, how the dialog display, and that we can see. And that dialog things can show like progress, how much percent, like 100% that we can minimize to 20%, 30%, whatever it should be. Those kind of thing also we can show on that. So how it should happen, we'll clearly see this here now. Here I'm taking one button, so I'm taking here one button, so that button name as horizontal dialog. So just I'm taking this as horizontal dialog. So id I'm changing as horizontal. Then here I'm applying the data binding for this. So data binding dot enabled equal to true. So once data binding is created, here we need to declare the data binding. Then here we need to enable this binding equal to data binding util dot. So then here we can add this context. So once we add the context, now we can able to add the listener for this button. So simply we can apply the listener for the button. So that is binding dot horizontal dot set on click listener view dot on click listener. So now here same, that is whatever the code we write for this previous video, it's almost similar, only few change in this. So same, just adding this same progress dialog declaration, progress dialog. Here it's a context, then progress dialog dot show. So here also we can able to set this progress dialog dot set title as well as the message title. Please wait. So progress dialog dot set message. So here also same, I'm putting this content loading. Then after this progress dialog dot set progress style. So this is important here. Without this it could not. Here you can give this horizontal, then only it should come as horizontal. See, just we'll see this. So for this one more functionality extra we need to write, that is the percentage. So defaultly it has 100%, but that percentage we can reduce. If you want, we can reduce, like you can give 20%, 40%, like that also you can give this. But because of this here, this what we observed in the last video and this video, last video what already we seen the output, they could not customize that. So because of not customizable, we cannot say that it's a, we cannot use this in everywhere, because these colors combinations and all we could not customize. See this, once I click on that, it is showing this default is 0 to 100%, but I don't want that 100, so I want that here set max. So set max I give 20. So now it's a maximum here 21. So that we can see here now. So this is about this horizontal dialog. So then we'll see in the next video progress bar, because these two are duplicated because of these two. The next one, the people are using that, so that we can able to see 0 to 20. So if you want more videos and all, please subscribe Android Indian channel. And also for every video, I may not repeat this code. Every video in a description, I'll provide the link of GitHub as well as the tutorial code link. Everything you will get there.